Match is one of the newest features on Freenow. It automatically groups together passengers that are travelling in the same direction. Match is easy to use as the app calculates the fare for each passenger automatically. You just enter what's on the meter. Match will also open you up to a whole new network of passengers and guarantees you a higher fare because the distance you travel will be greater. Match jobs are identified by a green banner and a match icon on the job offer screen. If it's a match job, you'll see a pop-up screen informing you that there will be 2 separate passengers boarding your taxi. In some cases, 2 passenger accounts may not have matched. This means there will only be 1 passenger pickup. If it's a match tour, the app will direct you to both pickup points. When you arrive at the first passenger's location, you can tap Arrived as normal. When the first passenger hops into your taxi, you'll need to tap Passenger on Board and start the meter as normal. Your app will then automatically direct you to the pickup location of the second passenger. Remember, your passengers could be at 2 separate pickup points. When you arrive at the second passenger's pickup location, you can click Arrived and Passenger on Board again. This is when you will add the €2 booking fee to the meter and a maximum of €1 in extras only. Your app will then automatically direct you to the first drop-off location. When you arrive at your first drop-off, it's important that you select the correct passenger for payment. You can ask the passenger to confirm their name, select them and tap Confirm. You can then process the fare for that passenger. You do this by entering the amount that's on the meter up until that point. Remember, don't stop the meter and don't add any extras to the fare just yet. Your app will then direct you to the second drop-off location. When you arrive at your second drop-off location, you can process the total amount on the meter including the extras. The extras will be the €2 booking fee and an extra €1. That's it, you've successfully completed a match job. Don't worry about calculating the fare yourself. Once you have completed all the steps, the app will automatically calculate the correct fare for each passenger.